rocking my G-Shock. I'm 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 rocking my G-Shock.
What's up, YouTube? I just realized I haven't done a review on this piece, and it's one of my favorites, to be honest, and thought I'd do a review, even though it was released in 2007, I believe it was. No correction, 2014, the 6900. So we'll get right into it and we'll talk about these here. Oops, dropped my Coca-Cola. Here's a mini Coke given to me by Brian Spidler. Brian, if you're still out there, thank you once again. That was given to me back a few years ago from Brian. So yeah, let's get started. Here's the 6900 Bathing Ape collaboration. 6900 Bathing Ape collaboration. Very nice piece. Comes in a nice little brown cardboard box. It's got the bape character there drinking the Coca-Cola. Like I said, this was a collaboration between Bathing Ape and Coca-Cola and G-Shock back in 2014. So let's take a look. Open the cardboard box here. Out comes this beautiful red fire truck red can. Coca-Cola logo on the side there. A bathing ape. There's the ape again drinking the Coca-Cola. On the bottom, Coca-Cola 2014, all rights reserved. On the top of the can, there you go. Very nice fire engine red. Comes with this cool little sticker of the bathing ape right there. Peel that back and you can stick it wherever you want. Very neat, very cool. Here you have the manual, the 3230 module. Boop. Okay. This is it's interesting because this tin can is a little different from all the standard tin cans. The foam itself is very sturdy, very sturdy compared to the other standard G-Shock watches. This is more the other ones are more, I don't know, softer. This is a little more harder, sturdier to hold the watch. Let's take a look at the watch. Like I said, this is 6900. Very stunning. Look at this watch, guys. Stunning red, beautiful color G-Shock watch. Look at that. It's got the white. It looks like a classic design, like classic Coca-Cola colors right in the bezel there. You got the Bathing Ape logo right on the bottom there. Red font around the edges. Coca-Cola on the top there. Red and white throughout the watch. You got the red and white G-Shock light button. Here's your Bathing Ape on the band, as well as Coca-Cola logo on the side of the band here. Absolutely stunning. This white band keeper pops. It just pops on the bands. Very nice, very cool. You got the brushed metal buttons on the side here, and you also have the Bathing Ape register logo on the bottom of the band. Let's check out the back plate. You have a Bathing Ape on the back drinking the Coca-Cola, module 3230 DW6900 FS series. Check out the backlight. On this puppy, you can see once again the Bathing Ape, bam, in all its glory, drinking its Coke. Very nice, very nice. All right, so there you have it. That's the DW6900 FS Coca-Cola / Bathing Ape / G-Shock collaboration for 2014. Along came that one, but before that one came the DW003, which is also Coca-Cola. This is actually pretty interesting. It's a standard DW003-4, but it has the Coca-Cola bottle on the band. That's pretty much it. There's nothing else that distinguishes this watch from the standard version. Other than that, there's no G-Shock or Coca-Cola backlight. It's just got the backlight of a G there. So that's the DW003. And then there was also the GL100, right? Yep, GL100 2226 module. Also a Coca-Cola, which is pretty neat. It's got the little, not engraved, but the stitched on leather, pleather, whatever you want to call it, patch on the band there. It's got G-Shock there, GSHCK on the bottom, GSHOCK. And then this is Velcro. Pretty neat. So again, Coca-Cola has released multiple collaborations with Casio. This is 3 of them. There's, I believe, 1 or 2 other ones out there. This one again does say Coca-Cola. My battery is low on it, but you can see the you can kind of see Coca-Cola back there, which is pretty neat. All right, so there you guys have it. The GL100, the DW003, and the DW6900 Coca-Cola editions. This one is the most special, of course. More, a lot of more details, and of course, it's a Bathing Ape / Coca-Cola, like I said earlier, collaboration. All right, guys, there you guys have it. Thought I'd bring you another video. Let me show you guys a wrist shot of this one. I got a small wrist, but this is the DW6900, not the GDX, so it's a smaller body, smaller bezel size. But yeah, very nice. Thanks for all those who are continuing to subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing more content as usual. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked today's video, please hit that like button. Very important to me, motivates me, like I've always said. Motivates me to create more content and put it out for you guys as soon as possible. And subscribe, like, comment below. Tell me if you like which one of these 3 you prefer, which one you like. A lot of history here with Coca-Cola. All right, guys, till next time, don't forget, at 5,000 subscribers, I will be raffling out some free goodies, including a G-Shock watch and some other cool stuff. So get at it, subscribe, like the content, and I'll see you guys very soon. This is Chavo G-Shock Go. I'm out of here. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G